How to make Steam download faster. Let's get started. Launch your Steam app. Now at the top left corner, you'll find the option of Steam. Click on it. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of settings. Open it. Once you land to the settings page, now over here you're going to find different options. Head towards the option of downloads. Open it. The very first thing you want to do is change your download reason. So click on this drop down and select any other reason. After you select any of the reason, you will be good to go. Now head towards this another option, limit download speed, toggle off for it. Likewise, toggle off for this option, schedule auto updates. Likewise, toggle on for this option of allow downloads during gameplay. Now toggle off for this option, total downloads while streaming. Likewise, you will see this option of clear download cache. Click on the option clear cache. Once you customize all these settings, you will be good to go. Now heading towards another solution, close this. Double click on the bottom of your screen. Now click on this option of Task Manager, open it. Over here you're gonna find different section. Head towards this section of performance. Now go ahead and open this option, open Resource Monitor. Now over here you're gonna find different tabs. Head towards the option of Network. For the sake of this video, we want to see what apps are using our networks. You have to in process for those apps that are using high network. Just double click on the app that is using high network and go ahead and click on the option of in process. Keep in mind that you don't have to in process any window related critical apps. Now you can close this. Now you want to launch your Steam app and log into your Steam account. With that, your problem will be resolved. By following these solutions, you can fix Steam games slow download speed. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.